around 1200. William Marshall was coming over from England from the first time, and as you can see on a day like this, it can be very stormy here. So crossing the Irish Sea, his boat got really bounced up and down, and by the time he came to the coast of Ireland, he vowed the first place he landed in, if God got him there safely, he'd actually found a monastery. So that's exactly what he did. So he came in here through the bay. You can imagine coming up the bay, he was probably with his head over the side puking all the time, and then he suddenly saw this land and was like, oh my God, it's the best thing in the world, and he literally built an abbey there. The abbey at Tintern is actually called Tintern de Voto, which actually means Tintern of the Vow, because there's also a Tintern Abbey already in Wales, which was Tintern Majora, and it's basically a Cistercian abbey. So when William Marshall founded the abbey here at Tintern, he actually brought Cistercians over from Tintern Majora and set them up here. So, and then for a story of, again, the Rockaduna Maze, William Marshall and his family are very important. So I just thought I'd give you a quick view of that. Welcome to Bannow beach. As you can see, the beach behind me, this is where the Normans first set foot in Ireland in the year 1169. 3 ships came over first with Myler Fitzhenry, Robert Fitzstephen and a few other knights. They actually landed at this beach on May the 1st, 1169, and then one day later Maurice de Prendergast, another knight, arrived with 2 more ships. They had about 300 soldiers in all. They waited here 2 days. They actually camped over in what was a small island over there. But now, because of land reclamation, that's actually just part of the actual land there. But they actually stayed here, and King Dermot MacMurrough came here. They all swore oaths to each other, and then they went after here and went to Wexford and attacked Wexford. So this is in Wexford, Ireland, and it's an amazing beach to visit, not just historically, but as you can see, it is also a really nice beach to kind of walk along. But from an historic point of view, it is basically where 800 years of oppression of the Normans and then the English started, right here, when the Normans set foot on this beach. And as you can see, for the actual Rockaduna Maze, this is an important place as well, because Myler Fitzhenry, who had quite a big part of actually building the original castle, and the Rockaduna Maze landed here too. So if you get a chance when you're camping around or that to actually come and visit here, please do, because it's a fascinating place. And as I said, historically it is very important. I'm going to go explore a bit more.